Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter. In this video I'll show you how to charge it. In the beginning, let's take a look at the bottom part of it. And right here we've got the cover we have to open. To this cover you have to connect one part of the original charger and the other part connect to the power outlet. Let's turn on the scooter, and as you can see it is charging. Right here we've got the battery percentage. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.